Hello everyone, my name is Akelo Lilian and you're most welcome to today's workshop. And today's workshop is called the COVID-19 Prevention Workshop. The participants in this workshop include I, Akelo Lilian, Mong Maureen, and Santa Israel. The objectives for the workshop today are 1. To ensure peer-to-peer learning, where everyone gives a thought on a given standard operating procedure. Secondly, to educate the population about COVID-19 prevention mechanisms. And lastly, to ensure health of those affected by COVID-19 through interacting and getting more COVID-19 do's and don'ts from the health experts. I'll start with Akelo Lilian, and she'll give us a definition of COVID-19, and then she'll take us through vaccination as a standard operating procedure used in curbing down the novel coronavirus disease. You're welcome. Thank you. COVID-19 refers to the respiratory system disease caused by a family of coronavirus called the severe acute respiratory syndrome. And in short, it is the SARS. And it is communicable, what we know as being able to spread from person to another easily. And in addition to that, COVID-19 spreads through cough droplets, sneeze droplets, and through contact. If you get in touch with or in contact with a cough or sneeze droplet from an infected person, you are probably prone to get COVID-19. Allow me go right away to vaccination. Vaccination helps in reducing the risk of one getting ill, hospitalized, and death. And since COVID-19 has various strains, we see that various vaccines have been put in place or have been prescribed according to the strain that one is infected with. For example, we have the Johnson & Johnson's vaccine, we have the Moderna vaccine, we have the messenger RNA vaccines work, among other types, including AstraZeneca vaccines. Thank you very much. We shall go right away to mask wearing, and Maureen Among will take us through that. Thank you very much, Madam. Talking about masks, wearing masks is an important aspect in curbing down the novel coronavirus, given the fact that many children need not to put on masks and are not vaccinated. The adults are therefore advised to put on masks in order to protect the young children from getting infected with COVID-19. Looking around the globe, we saw that since the young kids are prone to COVID-19, and most of them, many of them, are not yet vaccinated, and in addition, they can't maintain their masks on, we do advise the adults, the parents, the youths, those who can maintain their masks on, to put on them. And when you're putting on the mask, make sure that you use clean hands and then put on it in a way that it covers both the chin and the nose. Thank you. Then next we shall go to social distancing, and Santa Israel will take us through that, and she'll give us a clue on other two standard operating procedures. Thank you very much. Social distance of about 2 meters is very important in preventing the spread of coronavirus. When we talk about distancing, we say at least 2 meters. It means that the minimum distance one is supposed to maintain is 2, but you can maintain 3 and above. Then when we maintain this distance, it helps in preventing the virus from coming in contact with the people around. Thus, its spread is lower down. And I will take you through other procedures that include regular hand sanitizing. Make sure that you walk with your sanitizer wherever you go. Sanitize your hands regularly to avoid getting into contact with the virus. Then lastly, but not the least, we have hand washing. We advise the general public and the population that is prone to COVID-19 to wash hands regularly. And when you talk about washing hands, make sure that you wash your hands with enough water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Make sure you do it for at least 20 seconds. And then afterwards, make sure you rinse your hands properly to keep it clean and the coronavirus free. Thank you very much. Today, we've come to the end of our workshop, and we say that with above procedures, the spread of COVID-19 can be kept down. That's because health concerning COVID-19 can be improved. And finally, for more information on COVID-19 inquiries and anything related to COVID-19 disease, you can visit the Ministry of Health website, Uganda, Centers for Disease Control, and the World Health Organization websites. But also, in addition to these websites, you can also visit peer-reviewed journals and articles that are reliable. Thank you very much. We've come to the end of our workshop today, and would like to say that thank you very much for being with us. God bless you. Goodbye.